Step into the 2011 GMC Acadia. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. This model accommodates 8 passengers comfortably and provides features such as a rear window wiper, a tachometer, a trip computer, front and rear air conditioning, and cruise control. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, OnStar, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.